guys, it's Peekaboo Keeper here, and today I'm being joined by Leighton. Yeah, and we are being testing. We're going to test this gun. Oh, we are at my granddad's house, and we're going to be testing this cap gun. These little caps here, and the gun, and my little friend cut rope. Right, these little Squirtle, Charmander, Dragonite, yeah. And Bulbasaur are gonna see that because it does do a proper flame. Well, like a proper spot. Whatever you do, don't fire that at the teddies. If you set them on fire, there we go. Right? Don't put your teddies away. Right? Stay strong. Right. Test 1. What the? Oh yeah, I did put it on. See it smoke? That is a flame of Awsome. That was pretty cool, but I'm not sure if you guys could hear that. Last time it was like bang, our ears were literally going ding. It was like this. If you can hear it, then it was like this. Yeah, literally like that, right? If you can see the spark. Wait, it's not on the wrong. Wait, one. See that, guys? Wow. I couldn't even see it because it made me blink. It's a little it's a, yeah, and it might not, it sounds loud for us because of the audio on my camera. It is very good. Well, on every camera, it's just good. Yeah. My audio on my camera is pretty good, but it makes it sound a little bit less quiet. Everyone. Wait, every camera is. Take cover! What the? That was just a little smoke. No, that's a lot of smoke. Yeah, it's a lot of smoke, but it wasn't a loud noise. Right, we're going to do 2 of these caps. I've got 3 of them. I just found this today. Now, if you're watching this, subscribe to Red Fox. He has a great channel, and make sure, please do this, Menth, and James, if you're watching this, please, because I want to see a video. You can get these at Danny Mart, the caps, and this gun is about £3, £2. Yeah, these little caps. I've only got 2 of them. I found them yesterday. Bless you. Bless me. Really? Thank you. Right. Right, next cap for me. Right, I get to do this one. These look there. These are dangerous. Oh. Just a little bit of smoke. What, that much? Really? More smoke. What we're trying to do is get the best light of those pack things and try and make the biggest bang and do the most cloud of smoke. Right, guys, we're going to try and make it really dark because it's really bright outside. We're going to try and make it really dark. We're going to pause the video and hopefully it's going to be really dark. Bye. Right, we are back and it's pretty dark. Right, the next bit. Can you see that, guys? Yeah, that's a proper smoke. You might not be able to see me, but this is the gun. Right, the next cap. Which is for you, then me. Oh my gosh, that was well good. Right, now my turn, right? Right, your turn is after this cap. After 1, 2, 3. Oh! Guys, you should proper subscribe to this. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Oh, jeez. Oh my god! Wait, no. All of the caps have been gone. Yeah, all the caps. Next cap. We'll see you guys later when it's bright again. Bye. Right, guys, that was amazing. It's light again, and yeah, right. Yeah. Next cap. Right, Leighton, you're going to do this. Remember how to do it. Right, we've done this. Which one? I think just try anyone. Just try anyone. Right, I'll do the first cap just in case. Wait, they're both good. Yeah, they're both reloaded. This one. So, you know how to do it, don't you? Yeah. Right, what you have to do, line it up and then do it like. What? Well, that might be out. Yes, out. Let's just test. There we go. That one. There we go. Remember, go in front of the camera.
Right,
I'm a bit
guys.
scared. It shoots out a little bit of gunpowder.
Guys, I have a gut feeling it won't work because most of them don't work, but it could.
That was just a little. Right, that.
Try that again. Yeah. Yeah, I had a gut feeling that wouldn't work. There we go. But
Right, we'll see you guys back when it's dark again. We've got to do that because it's going to be amazing.
See you later.
And we'll see you when it's dark. Video won't pause, guys. Right, I'm trying to do that trick. Camera. Right, guys, we are back and
The next cap. The next one. Right, guys.
can't really see a thing.
Wow!
There we go, mate.
There we go, next cap.
Right,
Right,
no,
just-
the cap hasn't. Right, make sure you don't drop it.
There you go, guys. You
There
like
we
that?
go. That's pretty cool. Right.
Should we go on to the next cap after?
Yep.
Right, stand back.
Whoa!
Oh, there's like fireworks, man. Bonfire night. Whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa!
Woohoo, we're on fire! Not anymore. Next cap. This time.
Right, we'll see you guys when it's not dark again.
Bye.
Right, guys, we are back and this is going to have to be the end of this video. The last cap, we're just going to have fun to play with. Just at the park and stuff.
You know, but
Yeah, I've got my little Pokemon t-shirt here.
I've got my Toy Story. It's so lame. I just wish I could just get my one. Yeah. But look, my watch, I got it from the car boot today. Glows everything in the dark. Right, let me just make it a little bit dark. Right. Wait. Let's try. Wait, can you see that? 1, 2, 3. 8. See?
You might not be able to hear
No, look,
that.
can you see that?
Yeah, right.
But see, it goes blue.
See you guys later.
Peace
And
out.
Peace out, guys. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.